children. I'll continue with the next page. So, the one young fellow started moving towards that old man, isn't it? He just returned back and started seeing all the contestants are not at all concentrating on that old person. They all started running as they want. But only one young man went to that old fellow because of that his goodness. So what he did, the old man has strained one of his legs, so he couldn't walk because his one leg is not at all working. He couldn't walk for a while. So what he did, he was unable to stand or move from that place to one place to another. So what did that young man did? The young man sat beside him and with a great care helped him stand on his feet. Oh, he took like this and he helped him with a great care. Okay, stop running. All others are started chasing him. But what he did, it doesn't matter about his running race only. Just in his mind, he should help the old man. So the old man stood up with a great difficulty and leaning on the young man's shoulder like this and reachable home on the other side of the road. What happened? He took that young man, he helped that young man and he took him for this house in the next road. By the time he came back, it was too late. By the time he came back, it was too late. All running race is over. Okay. Already announcement also over. The race was over and all the participants had already reached the area. Sadly entered the area and stood behind the jubilant participant. So, what happened? He has lost his game and at last he did the face like this. He went enter the area of that sports area. The chief minister was watching everything from his seat. So what happened, before itself I told you that they have kept some secret men, so many secret men to watch each and everyone. So what happened, each and everyone, that secret men are watching that fellow who all are running fast and who all are doing good things, who all are doing bad things. Everything is, they are going to watch. So what happened, even minister also watching from his seat only. Oh, what and all is going on there. When he was returning back, he has helped the old man, he reached him their house also and he came back. That also minister watched. Soon he came down to announce the winner of the day. What happened? Chief Minister came down to announce the winner of the day. He announced the name of winner and as promised offered him a good job in the royal court. And also he said that I'm going to announce the name. They'll get the good job in the royal court. They'll be the chief minister for the next upcoming minister post. Okay. Then he gave away prizes to other participants also. And also all our 50 members are participated. No, for them also they gave prizes. Because for all these days they have participated in so many games. No, in that games and all they have won. And at last they came here. No, that's why they have given some prizes to those peoples who are not won also. He thanked them and requested them to return home. They thanked. Okay, all of you, thank you. You all done very well. You can return home. They said. At last, he came to the young man. That the one fellow who was helped that old man. No, he came to him. You have failed to finish your race in the stipulated time. In that time, you didn't finish your race. You are failed. Therefore, you are not entitled for any prize. So that you won't get any prizes. But you are lost. No, you didn't finish your race also. How could I give you the prize? No, I won't give any prizes for you. He said. The young man hung his head sadly but said nothing. He said like this. He didn't tell. He didn't said that I went to help old man. That's why I have lost my running race. I have lost my sports. Please help me. Some other peoples would be telling like this. So just minister is testing him whether he used to tell this. This is the reason why I didn't reach the race. That's why he is waiting. But what happened? That young man didn't tell anything. He didn't say anything that I helped. Nothing he said. He was very sad. Okay, I'll move from here. Just read it like this. You were running so fast that you were sure to win the race. You were running so fast, no? I thought you are going to win. What happened? He asked minister. Then why did you lose golden chance? The chief minister asked again. Why did you lose this? Why you missed this golden opportunity? Why you did this? He asked. The young man stopped. He looked back at the chief minister for some time and then said, he is seeing his face sometimes, he did like this sadly, everything. After some time he said, the old man on the road was also somebody's father. Even that old man also somebody's father. He couldn't stand only. That is a place of somewhere in the middle. If somebody didn't help him means, how could he go for his house? Otherwise he would have died there itself, no? Just my imagination. If nobody is going to help him means, just think it of. How could their house people come to know? Oh, my father is, where my father went, where he is, how come? There was, in the olden days there was phone, nothing was there, no mobile, nothing was there, no? How could he reach? So in that manner, the young man thinked. So he is also somebody's father, no, minister. So it was more important for me to help someone in need. He need my help. So I am seeing him, he is lying on the road. He couldn't walk also, he couldn't get up also. So he need my help. So what I did, I stopped. That is the main thing for me. So I fault to do my duty, then how could I expect some other person help me, old father, when he is in need? I can't do this means, I am not fit for that. How could I help an old father when he is in the need? The chief minister's eyes sparkled. Oh, somewhat sparkled his eyes. Oh. Finally I got a person for this suitable place. So he said nothing and asked the young man to the next day. A messenger of the king court comes to the man and gave him a letter from the king. Okay. The next day the messenger of the king court came to the man and gave him a letter. Okay children, I will explain you in the next class. Thank you.